The Room Type Setup enables you to record detailed information about the types of amenities or facilities associated with hostel rooms, which can be assigned to students based on their needs or preferences during hostel admission. These facilities may include options like AC or non-AC rooms, furnished or unfurnished rooms, rooms with a refrigerator, and more, depending on what your school offers. To streamline the process, you can group related amenities for individual room, making it easier to manage and assign rooms based on predefined combinations of facilities. To create a new room type or facility entry, click on the Add Room Type icon. A form will appear where you'll need to enter a title or name for the amenity or facility. Once done, click the Save button and confirm the process. The entry will be securely stored in your school's database and will be readily available for future room assignment and management tasks. You can continue adding multiple entries as required by repeating the same steps. To modify an existing entry, click the Edit icon. To permanently remove an entry, click the Delete icon. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.